Name of this track right here is called Candy Rain Drops. You know?
Made me do it.
Yeah.
Candy Rain.
If I rain on you with these lips, like candy rain drop. If I rain on you with these lips, like candy rain, candy rain, rain on you with these lips, like candy rain drop. If I rain on you with these, if I rain on you, if I rain on you with these lips, like. Yeah. If I pull the trigger, it make my gun turn on.
Candy Rain.
To me, a lot of people look dumb with their gun.
Candy Rain.
For only this reason, they act like they only want this packing heat in.
Candy Rain.
I never said everybody to me is looking dummy with the heat. I never lost mine, and you don't even know I'm holding. Matter of fact, I ain't even got nothing. They would've thought your two bag was empty, but you always showing your hammer. So if they slide on you like I would overwhelm you with the heat.
Candy Rain.
Say what I want to, I'm TK, not little boy Pete, not little boy
Candy Rain.
I got love for the church house, but I've never been in the church house mouse.
Candy Rain.
I never don't let just anything fall out of my mouth. And I'm also careful with my thoughts. My thoughts. I bring the party, candy pipe, and everything. Candy raining on us, candy rain. Hit a nigga in his head and chop his gun up again in his skin. Filling his gun up, trying to cut it in half. With this motherfucking axe I got. This motherfucking chopper don't like stopping. It's like me. I came to bring Candy Rain, Candy Rain. Candy Rain drops.